Hey guys, I just took this plastic utility cart out of the box. I got this on Amazon at a great deal. The link is below in the description. I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we're going to get started on it right away. We have these assembly instructions right here. They are very simple. Shouldn't take more than a few minutes to put it together. This is our handle. Corner legs assembly. This is our wheels and hardware. Okay, first we need to attach the handle. This is the lower tier. Has marked left and right on each corner. So we have right, left, and left. That's how it's marked. It's supposed to be directed on the handle side. So if we insert it like this into the R, let's put another one with that notch. This one right here, this is the L. We're going to put it this end into our bottom shelf. Now we have this side. R goes to R. And L to L. Now we can attach the top. So handle side on this. Like that. We're going to use the provided screws to attach the top shelf. Now we can install the casters. We can put these here, and the turning ones will go to the handle side. These include the brakes. Nut and bolt assembly right here. Going to feed it from the bottom and tighten it on this side. We have a size 13 socket. That's what we're going to use here. Just going to hold the bolt up so it's locked on the bottom there, and it just locks it in there. So this is how our bolt looks. It'll lock right here if you just push up. Okay, and I think we're all set. There we go. That locks our cart in place. There's two brakes. You can use it as your tool cart for maintenance, for repairs. This can also be used as a utility cart for transferring things from one place to another. This cart can take on a lot of weight. It's up to 640 pounds capacity, so that means you can pretty much load a lot of stuff on here or put heavy things to transport from one place to another. So here it is. It was pretty quick to assemble, as you saw. Just have to figure out where the legs go. That was probably the hardest part, but it's still pretty much straightforward. You can get to using it right away.